Year 2008, the vision that began in a modest campus, inventing and innovating in technology for humanity. Today, it has grown into a powerful institute of India's progress. Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad. In just 18 years, IIT Hyderabad has carved a distinct identity in education, research, and innovation, among the fastest growing institutions in the country today. In national rankings and on global rankings, IIT Hyderabad continues to make a strong and steady mark. What began in an ordnance factory with just 111 students has now evolved into a thriving campus spread across 600 acres, shaping the future of over 5,700 students, setting new benchmarks in research, publications, and patents. IIT Hyderabad nurtures innovation from the very first semester through programs like Build and Brati, encouraging students to become builders, not just learners. By hosting India's first inter-IIT undergraduate innovation meet, it has given young innovators a platform to grow and flourish. This is not just an institution, it is a laboratory of innovation and talent. Within its technology research park and innovation ecosystem, over 280 startups have emerged, creating more than 1,100 jobs and generating over 1,500 crore rupees in revenue. Here, the technologies of the future are taking shape today. From 6G communication to autonomous navigation, from artificial intelligence to 3D printing and cutting-edge deep tech research, IIT Hyderabad continues to lead at the frontiers of innovation. India's first 3D printed bridge, DigiBeam, bringing precise digital addressing to every doorstep, or even autonomous vehicles navigating roads and skies. These innovations are shaping IIT Hyderabad's global identity. In collaboration with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, a new chapter of education, innovation, and research is being written between India and Japan. At recent Japan Academic Day, 76 representatives of Japanese institutions gathered at IIT Hyderabad to strengthen global partnerships. IIT Hyderabad is more than a campus, it is a living, sustainable, and inspiring ecosystem, a home to thousands of trees, generating half of the energy from over 10,000 solar panels, and steadily moving towards a net zero vision by 2030. Through its rural development initiatives and student-led efforts, the institute is also contributing to the growth of nearby rural communities. Life here goes beyond academics. Here, students think, create, play, and shape their dreams into reality. At the recently hosted Inter-IIT Sports Meet, thousands of participants from across the country experienced not just world-class sports facilities, but also the vibrant and inclusive spirit of IIT Hyderabad. From a humble beginning to a global identity, the journey of IIT Hyderabad is not just about 18 years, it is the story of building a global institution, moving forward with a vision of inventing and innovating in technology for humanity.